We're here at World of Concrete 2022 with Jared Telford from Madewell Concrete Products, MSB Form. So today he's going to be talking to us about MSB high-rise forms and the D forms. Jared, talk to us a little bit about applications where a typical guy is going to see these used. What makes sense? What was your inspiration behind designing this and coming up with the system?
The high-rise frame will work on the high-rise frame. We call it the high-rise frame or elevated, or it's more the deck frame. So anything you're screwing into deck or concrete. It was designed primarily for high-rise application from 8-inch, 12-inch post-tension podium. What you can do here, you've got two inserts here that have adjustability. So you can just come down here, flick a blue line, screw one screw in the front, square around to the back, screw it into the ply, and the high-rise frame will hold 900 pound of push pressure at 14 inches high, just going into the ply, not hitting the bearer underneath. But we use them, again, for bridges. You can still run rail over the top. You can run the bidwell over the top. I would use these for 12 inch, 14 inch, 16 inch, 24-inch box form for a 2-foot beam side. I would run a vertical stiff back, and you don't have to have angular repose. It says here you need to be 2 foot back. These have enough pressure in them, the ability to do up to 24 inches on a beam. So let's say 12 inch to 24 inch. We move on to a D frame. A D frame has got the versatility of both having 2 rods here, so we can use it for slab on ground for post tension or warehousing, tilt up. So you can form your ground slab, and then with the same system, take it inside and either tap con it down to your concrete, or we've got stick and kick, which is our Velcro system. So if you don't want to drill into your flat floors anymore, use the Velcro system. It's a one-time use, and that will hold 300 pounds of push pressure at 10 inches high.
So bridge decks, high rises, elevated shoring decks, slab on grade, tilt up, any of these applications, MSB using the high-rise frame or the D frame, you can do any of those things all with this one tool, very interchangeable.
So this is a composite board to replace lumber, as we know with lumber pricing going where it is and it's not coming back. Moving forward to 2030 with carbon offsets, the concrete industry needs to become a lot more sustainable than what it is. This has fine finish on the front, so you have no honeycombing. It's got a real crisp edge here, so you won't need to put a steel strip where you're using flat floors. We're going to do them in a 6-inch, 8-inch, 12-inch. Also got a vertical stiff back, so you can do up to 4 or 5 foot. The challenge with plastic boards is you need to have rigidity this way and also in and out. And we reckon we're getting close. So this will come out, cheater board will come out mid-year. They will have a rail system on the back, slide them onto your frames and do them up with a ratchet to eliminate screws.
And what lengths do these come in?
They'll come in 18 foot, and then you cut them down with just a normal circular saw to what you want. So they're used here with the high-rise frames just with screws. I don't have the, because of the shipping issues in the world right now, I didn't have the clip, but it'll have another sleeve over the top that'll do up with the ratchet. So this is the ratchet that we would use to do up the bolts, and would also do it up here. So you can eliminate the drill and eliminate screws.
All this matches right in with our mission statement of making our customers more efficient, safe, and profitable. Obviously, you guys are trying to do the same thing. Very innovative, very cool. You can see very few tools need to be used, basically the ratchet. And if guys can run a string, you can be able to set this. Very forgiving, very easy to use. So thanks, Jared. Appreciate your time.
Appreciate it. Thank you.